Tonight we're going to tear down a broken Lenovo monitor. Forgive me, I don't know what I'm doing.
We got one screw right here. This is serial number something or other, data manufacturer, that's all in Chinese. It's a model L2364A, 1.5 amps, doing 19 to 20 volts, made in China.
Oh, it's your welcome in Spanish, the nothing. All right, boys and girls, that is our way in right there. Well, that has been super successful so far. So what you didn't see is I slipped my finger in here and just started pulling this trim off. Like so. And it's got all these snappy type of connections. It is a, well, I can't get that to focus, but it's a number 7, which I think is the number for polluting the recycle bin. All right, so what's the inside of a monitor look like? We got screw, got this little plate, got some sheet of plastic. The DIY Perks guy can tell you how to make a monitor into a jet engine or some such. You know, AVE will tell you how many % glass fiber is in this stuff. Oh, these are the buttons. Okay, this is the back of the mounting bracket. It's off. A couple of springy springs. Makes sense to make the latch mechanism latch. So, see this ribbon came in, all these doodads. And
then this ribbon cable comes over here and it plugs in the front of this. And I'm trying to be gentle. Let me see. Maybe if we flip it upside down. Get a better setup here. We got our VGA port, our HDMI, the goofy Lenovo thing, and an audio out. Because if it's fed by HDMI, you'll need the audio out to do much of anything. Alright. We got this cool looking ribbon. Got this plug. How do we get that plug out? So these are, you know, machine screws going in, and then machine screws going in. So I wonder if that's the same threading.
all right, what do we got? We got the board. I don't know what any of this stuff is. Yipper. Some sort of steel. grommets here. So the things that are on the outside clamped it down and kept this from wobbling around.
Yeah, again, I don't know what's on the board because, well, I don't know what's on the board. But I know it's a board. I'm gonna chuck this in. Yeah. Okay, nice soft metal ferrous. I think you can read all that. Factory verified LMT displayed by Fujian. Made in China. What a surprise.
So what you see
This is all clipped on. These little plastic fittings. So we're going to just go by and pop them up.
If we knew what we were doing, we might have a different approach. But again, blah. Oh, well, that's interesting. I don't know if you saw the brake pattern. But you can see the brake pattern there and there. So,
garbage. Yep, that's the LCD piece. It's a thin, twisty. You can see the crack in the screen actually came from the outside in, it looks like. There's a thin film here. It's holding this all together. So, see, it's a glass. You can kind of see all the little pixels and things in here. So, pretty interesting. All cracked up. Let's just throw this in the garbage. Okay. Again, you can see the little fragments. Some kind of oil. This is glassy too. That's plastic. So, this... See, it's cracking up. It's cracking up like glass. So it's plastic-loaded glass. Pretty pliable. Yeah, it's very brittle. Very brittle. And, again, you can see some little pixely things. This is one of the things I was interested in. We got this, I don't know, cool plastic sheet. We got another one. These polarized sheets. Might be. Okay. Okay. So that's the back plate, just a metal plate.
This is some pretty stout, plexiglassy kind of thing. It's got this film on it. Texture film. And a bright piece of paper. There, we'll hang on to poor man's dry erase board. Well, I hope you learned at least as much as I did, which was nothing. Take care of yourselves out there in the coronavirus. It's still wonky. Goodbye.